The Volkswagen Group could slash 100,000 jobs and sell one of its brands. Seriously. Hello, my friends. Welcome to the channel. Great to have you with us. Well, not so great. This is the demise of Western auto manufacturing. Volkswagen is considering firing 100,000 people worldwide. 4 German factories could close for good after their programs are brought to an end. Yeah, Volkswagen has spent the past few years trying desperately to reduce costs after it said about a year ago, or maybe 2 years now, that the house was on fire, and they were referencing their own finances, their own current situation. This is going to be a bit of a battle with the unions in Germany and in Europe, and it's going to be very interesting to see how it all plays out. Reports out of Germany claim the automaker is considering a sweeping overhaul that will affect 100,000 jobs worldwide. But the alleged plans go far beyond workforce reductions. They allegedly include factory closures, lower investment spending, administrative cuts, and changes to the way the entire Volkswagen Group is organized. If implemented, this would rank among the most significant shakeups in the company's entire history. It's probably the biggest ever. In fact, it would be, no doubt. This story was reported by Manager Magazine and has since been picked up by many outlets, including Reuters, according to the reports in Germany. CEO Oliver Bloom and CFO Arno Arntlitz are considering brutal measures to make the company leaner in the wake of profits collapsing by 44% in 2025. So they're basically saying we have no choice. And you can kind of see the position they're in. Let's be real here. This is going to happen to every industry over the next 10 years. Everything will be disrupted. Doesn't matter which job. But, there's the articles and videos come up. These are the jobs you can do. These are safe jobs. There are no safe jobs long term. Among the most eye-catching claims is the possibility that 4 German plants will cease vehicle production completely. The facilities reportedly under pressure are Volkswagen's plants in Hanover, Emden, and Zwickau, along with Audi's site in Neckarsulm. Rather than immediate closures, production would reportedly end once the current vehicle programs reach the end of their life cycle. Let's be honest, the end of their life cycle could be tomorrow. It could be 2 years. We've got no idea. It's whenever Volkswagen Group decides that will happen, basically. That alone will put tens of thousands of jobs at risk. Reuters reports that more than 45,000 positions are connected to just those 4 factories. Those cuts would come on top of workforce reductions already underway as part of earlier cost-saving initiatives. The proposed overhaul reportedly doesn't stop at manufacturing either, though management is said to be exploring a reorganization that could separate the core Volkswagen brand and its components business into standalone entities. That kind of move would simplify management structures and give the company maybe more flexibility in future. That's the idea anyway. Volkswagen hasn't confirmed any of the reported details, but they haven't denied them. A company spokesperson told media outlets that discussions are taking place through the appropriate governance channels and said the entire group must undergo far-reaching change to remain competitive. In other words, they confirmed the story. That's essentially what they've just done, which is, I've got to say, a little bit of a surprise to me. I thought they would have denied it. Not surprisingly though at all, Labour representatives are, they're furious. Germany's IG Metall Union and Volkswagen's Works Council blasted the reported proposals and warned they would fight to the death at any attempt to fire all these people. With a key supervisory board meeting scheduled for July 9, Volkswagen workers have an anxious couple of weeks ahead before they find out how much truth there is to these claims. Now, I think they already know. I mean, let's be real. Volkswagen, they didn't deny it. They basically said, we're in discussions, which means, yeah, somebody has leaked this. We don't know who did it, but it's happening. So this is pretty bad. Remember, the German manufacturing industry is in an absolute crisis situation. It's shrinking by the day. So it's going to be a massive challenge for Germany to rebound from this. I don't think they can, if I'm honest with you. The Volkswagen Group is basically saying this in a snapshot. Making cars in Germany and Europe, but particularly in Germany, is too expensive. We can't survive doing this. We've got to make them in China and then send them worldwide from China. That's what they're planning on doing. They've admitted to that fact on several occasions over the past 12 months. So yeah, 5 years ago, I started this channel, and that was one of my main messages. Sandy Munro, thank you, Sandy. He mentioned the channel, and that was the main thing that he picked up on that I was talking about was what was going to happen to Western manufacturing. It was going to move to China and be dominated there because the Chinese were taking EV manufacturing seriously and the West wasn't. And now we're seeing the results of that. Thanks for watching. Need expert advice on what car to buy, what solar system to get, what home battery to get, or potentially for your business? You can get, guys, a one-on-one consultation directly with me, 60 minutes of tailored guidance. This might help you avoid making a huge mistake spending money when you shouldn't, or potentially save you a massive amount of money. Click the link in the description below because I can assist you, and why not? The link is in the description. Thinking about getting solar, a home battery, or an EV charger? Check out Australia's best free comparison tool because it could save you a lot of money. Guys, click on the link below in the description and you can see how much you can save. Alternatively, give Resync a call. They are the guys who installed my battery and my home solar. I'll put a link to them as well in the description.